Hey, Greg Buckley here, Buckley's Auto Care. All right, brakes. All right, we all know that they have to stop. Uh, they have to stop you very quickly in times, and if not, things go wrong in a hurry. All right, so look, we're working on this Toyota Tundra, and some of the things that you look at where you say, well, the technician can look at it and the professional can look at it and go, I don't need brakes, I don't need brake pads, but my brakes don't feel right. I may be I'm overheating rotors. That kind of thing. Well, the condition is that occasionally and periodically, brake hardware, the stuff your pads ride on, will have to be either cleaned and or replaced, even though you might not need pads. All right, hybrids, for example, they don't wear out brakes. However, they can bind and they need to be cleaned and lubricated occasionally so that they slide very easily. Here's a case in point. So here's a caliper off of right behind me. Toyota Tundra. And what we're seeing here is we're seeing these pins. Now, the pads themselves ride along and they squeeze together, stopping you. Well, you can see that the caliper's a little discolored, a little aged, but the hardware itself, the pins are actually rusted to the point where they will not move, they will not slide, and there's no lubrication. So what's been going on is that the brakes themselves are overheating, which is causing some metal fatigue. Compound that with original hoses on this one, then we can have an issue with either starvation or constant pressure. In any case, all of that occasionally has to be cleaned down. Now you can see that the pads actually are in decent shape. However, you can't reuse them. They have to go with the fresh pads, and in this case, new rotors. Anyway, every once in a while, let's say every 2 or 3 years, maybe in between that time, it all depends on how you drive. Your professional may suggest to you, hey, we need to clean the brake hardware, make sure things are good. That's part of a whole full brake inspection and more, and brake maintenance, okay? So anyway, little tip. Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care, as always. Thanks very much for watching. And as I say, drive safe, drive smart, and drive healthy. Thank you.